Hello friends, welcome back to Unbox Heaven. Today I brought another exciting review for you guys, and in this video we are going to unbox this beautiful head and scalp massager that is sent by Amazon. So they sent me the package like this, so I'm opening the cardboard box for you guys, and then we have one scalp massager box here. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do it right now, and also turn on the notification icon so you can get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So here some of the specifications are mentioned on the box. It says it's better than hand massage, and it also relieve your stress, also relieve your muscles in your scalp or your head, and it is very good product to use like on the go. You can take it with you everywhere, like during travel you can just pack it in your suitcase and you can just take it with you. So here we have the warranty card. Warranty is for 3 years and that is for free, and you can always activate your warranty within 7 days after purchasing your product. And we have the user manual also. So user manual tells all the details and instructions about this product. So user manual in 7 languages including English and French, so please read the user manual before using the product. So here we have one small package, and it is the charger for this machine, charging cable. There is no adapter for it in the box, but we have the charging cable and USB. They have micro USB that uses charging. So I just took out the charging machine and scalp massager out of the box. So we have beautiful piece in front of our eyes. So I really like this product because it's very useful and handy. And here we have some features, power, charging and rotation indicating lights, and here we have the power button that we can use to turn on the power. And here we have some small tiny head massagers that we can use to massage our head or massage our scalp. It's very useful when you are traveling and you get stressed due to your work or your business meeting, so you can put it in your suitcase and just take it everywhere. So whenever you feel stress in your head, you can use that product. So we are going to use this product today, and I will show you how to turn on and how many settings are there. So just press this button, and after pressing it, the small head massagers are moving. They are gonna rotate in two different directions. There are 2 speeds for this head massager. You can use according to your need. One is the slower one and other is the fastest one, and it also rotate in other direction, so you can choose according to your need. So I really like this head massager. You can also use this head massager on your body, on your feet, on your back, anywhere you want. Okay, now let's have a look on the charging cable and see how it charges the head massager. Simply just plug it in the micro USB with the head massager machine, and then with the adapter, and just plug it in, and it will start charging after plug it in. And there's a green indicator light on it. It is showing that your head massager is on charge. If you guys want to buy this product, I will leave a link for this product in my description box. You can go there and check more specifications for this product, and if you want to buy, you can go ahead and buy from there. And also, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do it right now. And if you like my video, please give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.